We got a lot to talk about in this video. GameStop short squeeze. We're up over 10% today. We're up over 30% today. We closed above the weekly triangle, and we are at that level of resistance. We got a lot to talk about. The overall market has just been skyrocketing as the elections just happened. We had, our former president Trump now becoming president. Very, very bullish for stocks like Tesla. Tesla stock is up over 60% this month alone just because of the election news. We have Bitcoin up over 45% this month, carrying on with, companies like Bitcoin mining companies like Mara, Riot, and CleanSpark. And then we have short cap stocks like GameStop running, GameStop breaking out of the triangle. We got a lot to talk about in this video. If you have not already, if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to leave a like. Really helps out a lot. Subscribe with notifications on. And I did a quick rebrand on SundayStockTalk.com. So again, a free newsletter right into your email box. Okay, very nice email newsletter. We had a bunch of great setups, and if you guys do want to check out the free stocks, link in the description for that. So let's get started right over here. So overall, just a quick recap. We had President Trump becoming president again, a massive victory. We had a popular vote, Republicans winning Congress and Senate. So all of this was very bullish for Elon Musk, as Elon Musk was not only backing Trump, but he made a whole pack donating millions to Trump. So we could see that Tesla alone is up over 60%. We are almost at all-time highs for Tesla, which is absolutely incredible right over here. We can also see that Trump was also a very pro-Bitcoin president. The Democratic Party, they were, putting tax on Bitcoin miners. We had Gary Gensler, them being very anti-crypto. And then we had, Trump coming into Bitcoin conference talking about Bitcoin. But not only that, we had, other people like Vivek and Kennedy who support Trump, who also came into Bitcoin conference. So clearly, he is the very pro-Bitcoin president, and that alone just sparked this massive bull run, breakout to the upside. Bitcoin just up over 45% this month, carrying into stocks like Mara and whatnot. So we had the video on Bitcoin mining stocks, and obviously me being in Bitcoin long-term, very much mentioned in the Discord a lot. But now I want to take a look at, GameStop. So let's get started into this video. Let's talk about GameStop right here on the weekly time frame. Not only did we close above, but we actually hit our first price target today. So as mentioned in our video, GameStop video, we hit the $28 price target. We can see that this is a massive level of resistance. So this is going to be our first conservative price target. Now it's glad that we hit this target. I'm personally up over 11% on my shares. But right over here, taking a look at here, definitely the conservative price target. I want to take a look at the volume right over here. Volume is still something that we are lacking. We definitely need more than just technical analysis for GameStop to kind of get the short squeeze. We definitely need, something from Roaring Kitty. So obviously this whole move was from Roaring Kitty, him tweeting on Twitter. And then we had the previous short squeeze with, Reddit and all of that. But the main thing that we need for GameStop is going to be that volume. But luckily, the past 2 days, we have gotten some spikes in the volume, and it is getting better. But we still need volume like this. Okay, I'm talking about actual moves, like 20 to 50%, gains on GameStop in one day. We're going to need volume like this. Take a look at the previous volume right over here. We definitely need a lot more volume. So that is what I am taking a look at for GameStop right over here. We hit the first price target, but for us to push higher, we need that volume. So what I'm gonna do is, I entered in shares right over here. I'm gonna leave my stop loss at break even. Okay, I'm gonna leave my stop loss at break even. If we hit that stop loss, then I am out. But other than that, if we break through, we see that volume, because GameStop right now, it looks like it is up, 0.5% right now. But if we see that momentum, we're gonna, get a play like Palantir, where Palantir just had massive push to the upside, and plays like SoFi. All of these small caps are running incredibly. So definitely what I am, looking at for GameStop. And next, I want to take a look at just AMC, just a quick overview on AMC. AMC kind of lagging behind, but we need that close about 450. Also has a very similar setup, but honestly, I'm not watching AMC too much, mostly just watching GameStop right over here. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin mining stocks. So right over here, Bitcoin just absolutely broke out of this massive cup and handle. We broke out, and right now we can see that we are definitely overextended. We had massive volume right over here, definitely expecting some sideways movement, but this move was huge. We got that confirmation on Bitcoin mining stocks. Now, one thing that I want to talk about with Bitcoin mining stocks is that Bitcoin has not only hit all-time highs, it created all-time highs. We just broke through all-time highs and we're up 22%. But if we take a look at mining stocks, they have pretty much been lagging behind Bitcoin right now. We can see that this was the February high for Mara, sitting at $33, and right now Bitcoin is sitting way above all-time highs, and we have we haven't even hit this level yet. So we definitely have more room to the upside for Mara. But just like GameStop, I want to leave my stop loss at break even. Our entry for Mara was amazing. Now, Mara also has earnings coming up. I think we should be looking good. We also had some very nice volume on Mara. So Mara is looking good, as well as all of those Bitcoin mining stocks. If we take a look at Riot right over here, we have a clear price target right at 1836, and the next one being $20. So we definitely have much more room to the upside. Just take a look at this volume for Riot stock. This volume is absolutely incredible. If we take a look at Clean Spark, again, just like Mara, just like Riot, we have more room. I think $20, 20.67 is going to be a nice sell point to take in at least some profits for Clean Spark. And again, the volume is looking very nice. So this is what we are taking a look at. We got a bunch of great setups that we have played, and overall, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Bye.